Once you've got your chart set up to the way you want it, the next thing you're going to want to do is put some things like trend lines on, or use some Fibonacci, or look at the price. What you can do up here on your toolbar is you can customize this to have a number of different things you want, and as you can see I've put a few items here. If I right click on it, I then click customize toolbar. Now this list here on the right is what I've got on my toolbar at the current moment in time, and on the left here is all the possibilities I can have. So if I wanted something specifically just for graphing, if I click graph and say here's a button for example like display high, low and close bars. If I click on that, I can then click this single arrow here, and you must click the single arrow and it will move it across here. If I click the double arrow, it will put everything in this list across. So I just click the single arrow. As I click it, and you see it's appeared, and it's also appeared at the top right here of the chart. Now on this occasion I don't need that item, but I've put in what I want, and I've put in so far add Fibonacci lines, draw an arrow, draw a trend line in effect, toggle crosshairs, and also show a legend. I'll show you what these do. First of all, legend. If I click on legend, it basically shows me, so wherever I move my mouse to that bar there, it shows me the open, high, low and close, and the obviously date it occurred. And if I right click on the legend, I can then change, say, the colours, so the text different, the background different. I can add different items to it, so I could add the volume, if you've got moving averages, date and time, date and position and so forth. Now to be more precise, I've also put here the crosshairs, so if I click on crosshairs, and now I get a nice crosshair, so I can move exactly to the bar so I know I'm bang on it. As you can see, as you move the legend over here, it's changing and showing exactly open, high, low and close that I've set for this for these particular items. I can click X here to remove it, or just click the button, and the same with the crosshairs, click, and now the crosshairs are gone. Another one here is the line, so trend line, so I can click on that, I can move my mouse say to low here, click, hold the mouse down and move across to the low here or into the future and let go. Click on it again, another one, put as many as you like on. To get rid of them, you just click on the bar and either right click and hit delete line, or click to highlight it and press delete on your keyboard. Any trend line you put on, like that, put as many as you like on. When you exit share scope, you restart, come back to this chart, they will be there again. Again, click, press delete key, or right click and then delete.